What's up guys, Reese here from reese3d.com and this is...
Hi, I am Ria.
Okay, so today we are going to show you how to use this 3D printing pen. So we made the last video which was the unboxing of the 3D printing pen. So if you haven't watched that, I've added links to those videos in the description, so just check it out. Okay, so let's first look at what all the buttons and keys that we have. So in the right side we have a slider which will help us to decide how fast we want to print it or how slow we want to print it. And then we have a small display which is going to tell us what is the temperature that is being currently set for the plastic filaments. And then in the left side we have two buttons. This one will help you to push the filament inside to print, and this one will help you to take it out. Okay, so even for me it is the first time that we are trying it out, right? So let's just keep it here in the stand and let's connect the power supply in the back. And once we do that, we have a red light showing up here. Do you see that? Yes, and it says PLA on the screen. So yes, we are going to use PLA material plastic, so that's fine. And as long as it shows red, nothing will happen. So let's open up the plastic filaments and try one. Okay, so what I have here is I have a small geometric shape. So I'll try to print this out and try to bring it out as a 3D shape. Okay, so let's see what we get. So I'll use this darker color because I have a white paper. Okay, so now we have a red color showing here. Okay, and we also have PLA written there. So it's time to insert the filament. Okay, so let's insert it here. And I think I need to press this button to make sure that it takes up the filament inside. It just increases the number. I think it just increases the temperature to a certain level so that the filament will be accepted. Yes, it shows green. That means, yeah, I'm pushing. There's a smell coming. That means something is burning inside. Yes, I can hear some sound. Uh-oh. Something is wrong. Let's see. Speed is slow, yes. I'm pushing it, it's not going. Yes, there's some sound. Maybe I need to hold it like this. Hi. Yes, now it's going in. It's going in. It's going in. Okay, I think it should come out anytime now. Hey, it started coming out. Okay, fine. So now, yes, okay, I'll start from here and I'm just drawing the shape. Okay. Okay, so I'm just forming a square roughly. Okay, and now from here I want to build it up a It's not holding up. No, come on. Oh dear. Okay. No, okay. Okay, but how do I build it up?
Papa, I put it there.
Oh, come on. No, 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 no. Maybe the problem with the filament. So our first attempt is not success. We got the shape in two-dimensional space, but we're not able to push it up into the three dimension. So
Papa.
let me see if I can just open it up. Yeah. So that's the shape that we have built. Complicated. Let's see. I'll give it a try, second try. And this time I'm going to make them as separate pieces and try to combine them later, okay? So let's just get rid of that. And I will keep the size, speed fairly somewhere in the middle, okay? Not too slow, not too fast. So, yes. Okay, so one shape is done, and now I'm going to build the same way one more. There you go. It's not 100% accurate, but yeah, it's there. So now my task is to bake these two things together, okay? So I'll keep this one down here, and I want to combine them into a single object. So let me just hold them together like so. Alright, and I can just build on it. Okay, so yeah, it connects. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. Let's see. Let me finish the whole thing and see. So that's our first cube created on the first day with the help of the 3D printing pen. It's not that great, but yeah, that's a good start. So let's see what all other things that I can build with this 3D printing pen. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.
our 3D printed butterfly.